Welcome back to another Corona POS tutorial. Today we're going to be making a reorder report. To make a reorder report, short stocks have to have been created. If you have not made short stocks yet or set up short stocks, you can go ahead and click on the left-hand corner of this video and a link will be there for you to create or show you how to create short stocks. To begin, we'll start on the dashboard page. And from here, go ahead and click on the inventory tab and you'll see short stocks. When in the short stocks order, it'll show you how much quantity you would like to order and how many actual goods you have on hand. To print out a physical reorder for you, go ahead and click on Create Stock Order and hover over More, and you can go ahead and click on PDF. Here it'll ask you which language you would like to put it in. Go ahead and choose English, hit Confirm, and it should start printing on your browser. Once it's done printing, it'll bring up a PDF of the stock order that's been created, and there it will show you what you might need created, and you can print that out and use that as your reorder report. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.